Hello friends, welcome to my channel Import by Narrated. In this video, I would like to teach you how to install Opencv in Python. For that, you need to ensure that your PC is connected to the internet. Here, we will be installing Opencv from command prompt. You can open command prompt from the Windows search button or through run. After opening the command prompt, you need to type pip space install space opencv dash python. It will take a few seconds depending upon your internet connection. After installing, you can check if it's properly installed or not by typing Python. That will open the Python interpreter on your PC. After that, you need to type import cv2. If it's properly installed, it won't show any error. Stay tuned for new videos, and if you like this video, make sure you press the like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the subscribe button if you are new to our channel. Thank you.